So during this pandemic, I've taken some time to kind of just shoot around the house some various birds at the bird feeder. It's been fun for me. Woodpecker. The squirrel was great. And of course, we loved making that little table. Nightingale. The doves always would go on the ground. I'm not really sure what this one's called. Red-headed sparrow? Maybe somebody can tell me. Female cardinal. It was fun. Just kind of capturing what I could when I could. There were a ton of pictures, and I got, I think, almost all the birds that frequented, well, not only just the birds, but some animals around. And the cats loved it. It's their entertainment. Some of the last pictures of baby. A little baby bluebird that was learning to fly out in the backyard. And then the dove finally made it up on the perch. Just barely. Mockingbird. I'm not sure what this little guy's called, but he's cute. Dove at the table. A little chickadee. This chipmunk lives underneath our shed in the back. Everybody getting together. This guy lives under the shed in the back. In fact, I think there's a family. I'm not sure where this guy lives, but he showed up. And these guys only come, of course, in the summer. And then the blue jays have found their way to North Carolina. Hope you enjoyed it.